Welcome once again. Let's talk about Dogecoin. About 0.07 price today. Yes, Dogecoin is currently trading at 7 cents, and Dogecoin have actually pumped 5% increase in price today alone, and the market cap is still hitting about $10.5 billion. Now, I want you to understand that Dogecoin recent price increase is coming from Elon Musk changing profile picture to that of Doge, and this is good, that of X, and I believe Elon Musk influence once again have taken place on Dogecoin. Yes, Elon Musk influence have taken place once again on Dogecoin, pushing the price of Dogecoin to rise over 5% within the past 24 hours, and this is amazing. Now, I believe that even Dogecoin now very soon might be hitting 10 cents. But remember, like I said before, in future with the support coming from Elon Musk and the future price, this coin can reach $10 by 2030 or before 10. Okay, there's a possibility that Dogecoin can reach $10 by 2030. This is not going to be easy, but Dogecoin is looking very good. Dogecoin, did the price increase, can even hit up to $20-30 by 2030, because there's a lot of support coming from Elon Musk. There's a lot of support from the community. So many companies have also started supporting Dogecoin so much, and I believe this coin, with the great support right now, they have about 140.3 billion coins of Stillness Classic is circulating out there. So there's also a plan to burn more of this coin. There's a plan to destroy more Dogecoin, and if they achieve burning billions of Dogecoin, it will help to push the price of Dogecoin to even hit $1 by next year. There's a possibility for Doge to also hit $1 by next year, or even more than that. So I believe before the end of 2030, there's a possibility for Dogecoin to reach $10 or more if they keep on getting the support from the world richest, Elon Musk, and of course from crypto industry and community. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.